Hello, and welcome to our tutorials for working with Finesse Gadget Designer. In this video, we'll learn how to use the image component. The image component can be used either to put small icons or large images in various formats into our project. To start, drag an image component to a frame that we've already placed on our canvas. As you can see on the right, we can set various properties for this image component. So first, we'll show how to add an image in this component. Finesse Gadget Designer comes with various images which are already uploaded on our server. We can see them by clicking on the image name drop-down here. When we click this drop-down, we see a number of images which are already on our server. And we can choose any images from here. However, if you want to upload a new image, we can. First, we go to the Tools tab on the left-hand side and double-click on Images. Once we double-click on Images, we see a pop-up with a number of images. These are already on our server. But to add a new image, click the Add button here. Now we can select any image from my machine. To demonstrate, I'll select this image and click Open. My image appears in my list, so we can click Save. Now, I'll place the recently uploaded image into my image component. To do this, I click again on the image name dropdown and can either scroll to find my image or simply type the name of the image here. Once selected, my image appears on the canvas in my image component. As we can see, there are various other properties, like the fill mode, the scale mode, and background color, which can all be changed for this component. First, we'll try the fill mode property. We can select from three values here: scale, repeat, and clip. To make it easy for us to see the difference between these three modes, I'll drag two other image components onto our canvas to compare. We'll change all of the image components to display the same image. By default, an image component is set to scale as a fill mode. Scale changes the image size when we resize the image component while maintaining the aspect ratio. As you can see, if we enlarge the component, the image scales larger, and if we decrease the size of the image component, the image scales smaller. If we select the second mode, the repeat mode, when we increase the size of our image component, we can see that instead of being scaled larger or smaller, you can see the image repeats. Once we reach the boundaries of the original image, it repeats again to the edges of our image component. The third property is clip mode. To show you this, let's enlarge the image component. If the image is smaller than the boundaries of the image component, then the whole image will show in the component. But if we resize the image component so the boundaries of the component are smaller than the original image, we can see that the image clips under the image component boundaries. To again demonstrate, when the image is smaller than the component, like this icon, selecting Clip will allow you to see the whole image. Unlike with the larger image, where only a portion of the image is visible. Now, there are various other properties. You can choose a background color or border color for your images. You can also choose the border width and the border radius. Now, let's publish the project in the upper right to see how our images appear. And we have all our images. Here's the scale image. Over here is our clip image. And here's our repeat image. And here's our clip image that was smaller than the component. And that's how we work with image components in Finesse Gadget Designer. As always, thank you for watching.